Hello everybody and welcome in this video. We're going to be talking about Monday action automation for workflows, which is one of our tools that's going to help you automate actions directly from your workflow apps. So let me show you how to set it up. Inside your sub account, come down here at the app marketplace. You search for the app, Monday, install, allow install. There's an API key required. And if you notice, we have a smart queue here, which can guide you how to get it. But let's do it together. Let's switch to our Monday platform. So inside the platform, got profile, administration, connection or API. You go on API, generate a copy. You make sure it's copy and you switch to the platform and paste. And you confirm. You choose the plan, you go on confirm. Of course, I'm not going to confirm because we're going to be charged, but that's pretty much it, guys. Once you confirm, you go on complete installation and you have on install, which means the tool is already connected to your Monday platform and you guys are now able to execute actions directly from a workflow for your Monday platform. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who is also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. Thank you for watching this video, guys.